Happy Sunday, everyone! So let's see what do we have here for you guys this Sunday. Let us see. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Together with the angel guides, can we get a message here for my collective people? What do we have here for them? And hopefully makakuha kami rito ng malinaw na messages. Thank you so much sa ipo-provide po ninyong clear messages. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages right here coming from the universe. God, no matter how you call it, together with the angel guides. Okay. 5 of water to the high priestess energy. Okay. I think hindi mo to alam. Yeah, definitely. We have here love. Messenger of water. Okay. And the 3 of water. So, sobra kanyang gusto. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. To the extent, mga babes, no, na nasasanay na siya sa iyo. So, yeah, mga babes, na pwedeng ito ay fresh connection. So, pwedeng nasa courtship stage pa lamang, no, yung some of you guys. Yung iba naman, no, pwedeng bago-bago pa lang na kayo, no. So, we have here the Ace of Water energy to the Six of Air energy, no. So, lumalabas ka rito bilang new love, no? At nakikita ko rito, no, that with the Six of Air to the Ace of Water energy, I think this person right here is unti-unti na siyang nagiging familiar sa'yo, nagiging komportable sa presence mo, no? At unti-unti na rin siyang nasasanay dito sa'yo. Yan, no, bago natin yan pag-usapan more, let me greet muna everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome here sa ating mga new subscribers. Thank you so much. You can also bring your other loved ones, your friends, families, no, your jowa, your asawa, no, your special person, okay, in this channel. Just take how this resonates and sa aking mga pabalik-balik na mga tambayers. Thank you, na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat na even though hindi ko alam yung mga personal ninyong mga names, no, thank you so much, okay? Sobrang na-appreciate ko po kayo na nandito kayo everyday nakatambay, no? Yung iba mayat maya, no, thank you so much mga babes. Excuse me. So, yun nga, wala tayo ditong gender, no, sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch at magkapalit-palit yung mga roles dahil ito ay general reading. And at the end of the day, lahat po kayo ay may free will na free nyo pong gamitin anytime, anywhere. Yun nga mga babes, no? Timeless ito, so pwedeng ito ay nangyari na. Sa iba nangyayari na, at sa iba ay mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. And you also have your free will, no? Kung gusto nyong i-claim yung mga mensahe or not, no? So, let's talk about this more, no? So, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, this person here is gustong-gusto niya kayo rito, no? But with the 5 of water, or this is the 5 of cups, no? In the classic tarot, this person right here, meron siyang ganito, no? May fear siya rito, no? Dito sa inyong bagong connection, no? This person right here is not questioning you, para malinaw lang, no? Kasi yung sunod kong babanggitin, no, is baka iba yung maisip ninyo. But however, inunahan ko na kayo kasi hindi naman ganun yung gusto niya ritong ipakahulugan, no? With this, you know, 7 of Earth energy, nakikita ko rito na dahil nakakasanayan niya na nga kayo rito, mga mahal, no? Nakakasanayan niya na kayo rito na makasama, nasasanay na siya rito sa inyong presence, no? Sa inyo ritong pinapakitang atensyon sa kanya, no? Sa inyo ritong pagmamahal, pag-aalaga, no? At pagiging palaging nandyan para sa kanya, no? Sa kabila niyan, meron pa ring takot, no? Sa tingin ko, hindi talaga nahilom nitong tao na to, no? Yung kanya ritong mga past experiences or the past experiences no, na pwedeng hindi maganda ay nagre-resurface back sa kanya kasi ngayon ay nagsistart na naman siya ng isang relationship, no? So, uulitin ko lang, hindi niya kine-question rito ang inyong love and the affection you're giving him or her. But however, yung kanyang takot, no, yun yung nakikita ko ritong nagiging ah harang, no, para sa kanya, no. So, with this Ten of Swords energy, I think, no, itong tao na to, no, Ten of Swords to the Five of Water energy, no, and strong High Priestess, hindi niya lang to ino-open up sa inyo. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, pwedeng ito ay hindi mo nalalaman or hindi mo alam, no, sapagkat itong bagay na to, no, is bagay na posibleng kinatatakutan niya, no, yung mawala ka sa kanya, no, or baka bigla ka rito, mga bibs, no, na magsawa sa kanya, no? Or baka bigla kang umalis, no? So, this person right here could have parang may sugat siya, no? Na posibleng iniiwanan siya noon no, ng mga nakaka-relationship niya. No? But however, this person here is not judging you. It's just that yung pumapagitna, no, is yung takot or fear, no? Kasi this person here starts to trust you, no? So, nakita ko rito na mahirap siyang magbigay ng tiwala, no? Lalo na pagtapos ng lahat ng mga nakakonect niya before no, na iniwanan siya rito, no? But however, you're different, no? But still, okay, sometimes the trauma resurfaces, 'di ba? So this person right here natatakot siya rito no na baka bigla kang mawala, baka hindi pa pala ikaw yung the one para sa kanya, pero gustong-gusto ka na niya. In fact, love ka na niya, ayan no. But look at that. This person here, no, is hugging, no, and leaning, no, dito sa malaking lion. So definitely, this person here needs strength, no? This person here needs strength. Yan, no? From who? Of course, from you, guys, no? So, napakalaki ng role mo, no, dito sa tao na to, no? Yun ang nakikita ko rito, no? So, yeah, definitely, Eight of Cups energy, no? Sana hindi ka na umalis, no? Sana hindi ka na lumayo, no? Sana magstay ka na rin because this person is seeing infinity and beyond here with you, guys, no? This person right here, look at that panda, no? Ang pinaka nakuha ko dyan ay ang color black, no, sa mata ng panda, no? You know, mga babes, no? This person is someone right here na napupuyat, kakaisip, no? Four of air energy, no? Especially habang siya ay nakatulala sa kisame, no? Bago siya matulog, iniisip niya rito, no? Na sana wag ka nang mawala, na sana ikaw na talaga yung para sa kanya, no? So, nakikita ko rito that this person here also someone, no, na posibleng ayaw niya rin itong i-share sa inyo kasi nga baka ang isipin ninyo rito, no, is kini-question niya rito ang inyong love, no, pero yun nga, hindi niya iyon intention, no? And also, this person right here is also someone who's quiet but sensitive, no? And I think that this is you. You are really different, no? Kasi yun yung sinasabi niya rito, eh. Kasi, for some reason, this person right here instantly feels talaga sa inyo, no, that you are someone different, no? Like, there's something here about you na nung una pa lang niya kayong nakilala, no, alam niya na meron na talaga siya ditong trauma bond, no, sa kanyang mga naka-in relationship sa past na iniwan siya rito, no, pero for some reason, no, this person here wants to trust you. That's why kumunik siya sa'yo rito. That's why nagkaroon rito ng courtship stage sa iba sa inyo if you're already sa ligawan stage, no? Or yung iba naman, no, is nasa fresh new connection na kayo, like kayo na, but this is here something fresh, no? And nakikita ko na maganda yung flow ng inyong connection, no? However, natatakot siya kasi this person here is talagang tuluyan ng nahuhulog ang kanyang loob niya sa'yo to the point that this person here wants you to be his or her forever. Yan, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person right here is praying with the Nine of Coins energy, no? Praying right here, no, na patuloy ka pa rin sana na mag-work on this relationship. Patuloy ka pa rin sana mag-invest with the Seven of Earth energy, no, ng attention, love, and affection. And sana, huwag kang magbago, no? Yan ang sinasabi niya rito, no, together with the Eight of Wands energy, no. So definitely, this person right here, no, is someone, no, who's praying, hoping, no, at kumakapit siya dito sa kanyang faith even though there's fear, no, na sana siya na rin talaga yung piliin mong makasama kasi ikaw na yung pinipili niya rito, no. So itong takot na to, no, ay takot dahil nagmumula yan, no, dun sa kanya ritong puso, no, na sana ay ikaw na nga kasi sure na siya sa'yo eh. Yan, no? At everyday, mas lalo siyang nagiging sure dito, no? So, nakita ko dito that with the messenger of water energy, this is your energy here, sweetheart, no? And together with the Three of Cups, nakikita ko rito na posibleng meron kang sinasabi sa kanya, no? So, kung papansin mo, dalawa na yung seahorse, di ba? And the seahorse right here, no, is carrying this pearl, yan, no? Alam naman natin yung pearl, mga babes, no, ay hindi yan basta-basta nakukuha, no, kung hindi mo yan sisisirin sa kaibuturan ng, okay, ng dagat, 'di ba, ng karagatan, no, ng malaking body of water, no. So definitely, you are also seeing this person right here as someone special to you at mukhang ito yung pinanghahawakan niya yung sinabi mo. And the messenger of water is the Knight of Cups energy, no, sa ating classic tarot. So this is someone here, no, na ini-embodies mo dito, no, na posibleng binigyan mo siya rito ng mga words na pwede niya rito, no, na panghawakan, no, na hindi kayo rito aalis, no. And you're appearing as someone as well who is hopeless romantic. So you've been hurt rin, no, sa inyong past when it comes to love and relationship. But however, I'm seeing that you are on the right page with this person and you are really wanting to have this union, to also have this higher level of commitment, no, na maging marriage rin talaga ang inyong connection nitong tao na to, no. The fear that this person here is feeling right now, kaya ako binanggit kanina na may malaki kang role dyan, no, it is because hindi niya yan kayang ma-open sa'yo, no, out of fear din na ma-misinterpret mo siya or ma-misunderstand mo, no, yung kanya ritong sasabihin, no. So, if you feel like, no, that this person right here is someone, no, who's at the edge of sabihin ko ba to kay collective or not, then pwede kang mag-start ng conversation, no, na pwede mo yung isingit, no, na parang panghawakan mo yung word ko, I will be here for you, and I'm gonna stay, yan, no, and nandito lang ako. Okay? Hindi na ako aalis dito. Hindi ako magbabago sa aking mga ginagawa para sa iyo. I will always be like this, starting this day. And I've already started from the day that we finally confessed our feelings for each other. See? And give your ultimatum dito sa tao na to, no? And the fear ay magfe-fade slowly and slowly and slowly up until this person here will have that calmness, no? Na hindi mo siya rito iiwanan kagaya ng ibang mga relasyon niya before, no? This person here loves you na, and it is very evident na ang takot niya rito ay ang mawala ka pa kasi nagiging komportable at nagiging happy na siya sa piling mo. Yeah, alam mo kasi kapag katotoo na yung feelings, mga babes, no, dun na pumapasok yung takot, isn't it, no? So, pwede magkapalit-palit dito yung roles na maybe you are someone here, no, na pwedeng ganito, no, na what if he or she is not yet the one? Anong gagawin ko? I am already feeling like this and I'm feeling more in love and in love dito sa tao na to, no, but no worries at all because this person here is someone who will also feel the same way na hindi kanya rin dito iiwan and that he or she also fears that this connection will come to an end. So definitely, both of you will work on this love relationship, no? Nakikita ko na kahit na fresh pa lang ito or kakasimula nyo pa lang, there's already commitment, no? Right in the line. So definitely nakikita ko dito that you are on the same page, like you both have plans, no? Na drive, no? For your future together, no? And I'm seeing that both of you, matanggal lang tong fear na ito tuloy-tuloy na kayong mapapanatag dito sa piling ng isa't isa. No? You are bound for this beautiful love story here, sweetheart, no? So, yeah, watch no, yung ating reading na ginawa kanina lamang, yan, no? Doon sa aking main channel, yung The High Priestess Tarot, no? Kasi, we've also got there, no, a very beautiful love story, no? So, baka makaresonate din kayo doon, mga sweethearts, no? And thank you so much. And, I also want and wish this for you guys to receive. This is so amazing love story right here, no? Someone who's definitely afraid of losing you, and I'm seeing two people afraid of losing each other. So yeah, ito yung mga messages here for you guys. Again, I'm Geriana on me. Sarang hiyo, love in light. Annyeong.